intensity game. Captain wins the toss and is elected to bat first. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform. Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Good bowling, it beats him all ends up. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Well, the batsman sees that one early, gets into a great position, got it from the meat of the bat. He has hit that exactly where he wanted to. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It is also good for batting. Oh, that's a good connection for the batsman. That's what we call a long distance deposit. Lovely timing, ball hitting the sweet spot. Well, he has to bowl that one again. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Missing his line there, wide signalled. Masterful batting. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Good pickup shot this. Has that gone for a six? Yes, it has. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. That's hit hard. That's hit for six. That's a great shot. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. Oh, that's beautifully done by the batsman. Exquisite timing. Gorgeous shot, found the middle of the bat there. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. That's gone high. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Oh, that's nasty. Right into the body. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. Up in the air. Excellent dive. Superb reflexes. That could well. The catch of the match. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs they'll have that security. Good bowling, it beats them all, ends up. Last ball coming up. Great shot, middles it and penetrates the gap for 4. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Good shot for a single. Excellent running between the wickets. Turned away for a single. Good shot, but cannot get it past the fielder. Very good running between the wickets. Lucky not to have conceded more runs. But it seems like the bowler prefers to bowl from this end. Squeeze a single there, good running. Good game awareness. He was covering the throw well. That looks handsome. It certainly is a huge 6. I tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, that's a beauty of a delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. Good bowling, it beats them all, ends up. Last ball coming up. Well placed into the gap, possible two. They put a good all-round performance today, bowled well to defend their total. They've earned the victory.